As you all know, we are going through tough time, and at India, we are highest number of COVID-19 cases ever. Naturally, there's shortage of resources, be it like medicines, remdesivir, oxygen, ventilator, ICU beds, and whatnot. I, Dr. Bharat Jagyasi, is in conversation with Dr. Rajesh Mishra, and we are going to talk on appropriate use of and triaging of remdesivir. Dr. Rajesh Mishra is President-elect of Indian Society of Critical Care Medicine. Dr. Rajesh Mishra, welcome to podcast ICCM.
Thanks, Bharat. Let's go to the question directly.
When and whom we should be using remdesivir for, sir? Your take on that?
Bharat, the remdesivir is a drug which is not going to do a wonder. It's not a magic bullet. There are very restricted patients who are in the active viral application phase who can get benefit from this drug. One has to understand. That means patients who are moderate to severely ill, who needs oxygen, whose oxygen requirement is increasing despite optimum treatment, oxygen and steroid. Then if you give remdesivir to this group of patients, they will benefit. Otherwise, in a patient who are mild, moderate, who doesn't need oxygen, are very critically ill, who are on ventilator, this group of patients will not get benefit from the remdesivir, and that's what the NAGM trial tells us about.
Sir, do we have to go with the biomarkers or the fever patient is having? Is there any role of that?
Yeah, if patient has high fever and CRP is going up, inflammatory markers are going up, and patient has consistent fever, despite oxygen level is normal. So this is another group of patients who may get benefit with the antiviral if it is available, particularly if CRP is more than 5 times, lymphocyte count is coming less than 15%, patient has persistent cough, despite oxygen saturation is fine. This is another group of patients, they may get benefit from the remdesivir.
So how long we should be using it and what dose we should be using it in?
There is a head-to-head trial for the remdesivir, Bharat, which was done and it has shown that 5 days remdesivir is as good as giving 10 days. So since we have a scarcity of sources, so 5 days trial of remdesivir, total 600 milligram, 200 milligram in loading, followed by another 100 milligram for 4 days is enough for any patient.
So as you said, there's a scarcity of the remdesivir around. So do we have to try its use as well?
Definitely, Bharat, what we are talking about the triage only, that every patient who comes to the ICU or hospital in ward, in ICU, we have to assess that who needs it most. And remdesivir is most needed by those patients who are in active viral application phase. Means the patient who are moderately severe ill. That means the patient needs oxygen, or patient is having high grade fever with increasing biomarker like CRP and lymphocytes. They are the patient who will get benefit. If you use remdesivir in mild phase, it's a waste of resources. If you use patient who has moderate symptom but no high fever, no high biomarker, they will not get benefited. Patients who are very critically ill on ventilator, on BiPAP, probably they are the patient who will not get benefit. So we have very, very narrow therapeutic window to use remdesivir.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for being with us, sir. Thank you for being with ICCM
Thanks, Bharat, and thanks, and I hope this information will be useful and will save some remdesivir for the patient who really need it. Thank you, Bharat.
Thank you, sir.
That's all for today. ICCM podcast is production of Indian Society of Critical Care Medicine. Thanks for listening. Stay safe. See you again.